In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoDS versus Printify 2026. Which one is better? Let's start with what each platform actually does, because they serve different business models. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform. Think of it as the engine behind a hands-off online store. It helps you find products, import them to your store, sync inventory and prices, and even fulfill orders automatically with connected suppliers. If your goal is to test many products quickly and scale without managing every task yourself, AutoDS is built for that. Printify, on the other hand, powers print on demand. Instead of reselling existing items, you create your own designs, like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. And Printify routes those designs to a global network of print providers. When an order comes in, the item is printed and shipped on demand. This is ideal if you want to build a brand around original designs and control how your products look and feel. The biggest difference comes down to automation versus customization. AutoDS prioritizes automation. It streamlines the entire dropshipping workflow so you can focus on picking winners and scaling fast. Printify prioritizes customization. It gives you creative control and access to hundreds of customizable products, but you'll handle more of the brand building and design work yourself. Looking at features, AutoDS stands out with AI-driven product research, automatic price and stock monitoring, and integrations with platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. These tools help you move quickly, reduce manual errors, and keep margins in check. Printify shines with its design flexibility, mock-up tools, and a large catalog of products from different print providers around the world, letting you optimize for quality, price, or shipping location. So which one is better? It depends on your goal. Choose AutoDS if you want a fully automated dropshipping system and plan to scale quickly by testing trending products from multiple suppliers. Choose Printify if you want to build a custom brand with unique designs and own the creative direction of your catalog. Here are a few practical tips. If speed and market testing are your priorities, AutoDS can help you validate product ideas rapidly without deep design work. If long-term brand equity matters most, Printify lets you differentiate through aesthetics, niche appeal, and consistent branding. Also, consider your skill set. Operational efficiency and data-driven decisions favor AutoDS, while design skills and storytelling lean toward Printify. In short, automation and speed point to AutoDS. Creativity and branding point to Printify. Pick the platform that aligns with your business model, not just the features that look impressive on paper.